Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing with the JEFFREE Star Jawbreaker palette. I'm obsessed with this palette, you guys. It is so amazing. This is my first ever JEFFREE Star Cosmetics makeup in general. I did also buy the mini breaker, but at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about a giveaway that I'm doing with it. So I'm not using this whatsoever. This is for one of y'all. So stay tuned to the end of the video. And let's just get started because y'all need to see how I got this eye look. So if y'all want to see how I got this eye look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be taking Fuck and Cherry Wet, and we're going to be mixing those two. We're going to just start applying that all over the crease and a little bit in the outer V. These colors are so freaking pretty, and it's honestly blending like a dream. I'm obsessed already. I'm already obsessed. Why are you so obsessed with me? Do I want to know? Now we're going in with Wow and Suck, and we're just going right over the shadow that we just applied, and we're just going to kind of blend everything in together. And I'm bringing it down just a little bit, and we're just gonna blend, blend, blend. Just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and we're just gonna cut the crease. Now I'm just taking some concealer on a flat brush, and we're gonna start to cut the crease, but only halfway. And I kind of do this part slow. So when I'm cutting the crease, I like to be looking down, and I obviously have a mirror right here. That way I just kind of see how far up I want to go. And then when I look straight, I see if I like it like that or if I want it more higher. So there's the half cut crease, and again I like to do it more up just because I see how I have the hooded eyes right here. It brings it more up and it just makes it look more better. By the way, I got my nails done last week, and I haven't had my nails done since November of last year. So I'm gonna be like this, you know? So don't judge a girl. So I'm taking the shade Gumdrop, and we're going right in the... Holy moly. Did you guys just see that pigment? Whoa. By the way, this is my first JEFFREE Star palette, and I think after trying this palette, I'm seriously going to buy all of them. Now we're taking Brain Freeze, and we're just adding it right next to Gumdrop and just kind of blending it all together. So now we're picking up Fuck and Cherry Wet, and we're just going to start blending that into Brain Freeze. And you don't want everything looking too harsh, so we gotta blend, blend, blend. So right on top of all these colors, I left a little tiny space. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we're gonna add Lemon Drop and see how that looks. Taking a tiny little brush. This is just an e.l.f. concealer brush. And we're gonna go right on top. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the eye look. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to mascara and lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes real quick. Even though they're baby lashes, I mean they don't really stay curled, but we still going to do it. So I'm just putting very little on the lashes just because we're just going to blend them into the fake ones anyway, so we don't need too much. So the lashes I'm using today are these So Iconic Faux Mink lashes in the style Vacation. You guys, these lashes are so bomb, and they're only, I believe, like $8. I'm gonna leave the link down below for the website because one of my friends started this business with her best friend, and you guys, the lashes are so good. Alright guys, so that is the eye look with the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face real quick, and then we'll come back and do the rest of the eyes. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I wanted to show you real quick. Look at this highlight. So the highlight I used was actually an eyeshadow from the palette. So it's in the shade Snack. Look how freaking gorgeous that shade is. When it comes to highlight, your girl just puts it all over her face. But look at that. I'm going to take this shade Cotton Candy and we're going to add that into the inner part of our eye. For our waterline, we're taking the shade Smoked and we're just adding it about halfway. And then to kind of bring it in, we're adding a little bit of the shade Fuck. And just blending those two together. Alright guys, so we are done with this makeup look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with it. I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror. Of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below telling me what looks you want to see in the future, what makeup brands you want me to try out, and what you thought of this Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. My opinion on it is that it's so good, super pigmented, creamy. The shadows blend so good. And it's just a really good palette. You can use it. Obviously, I used one of the shades for highlight. But other than that, I'm obsessed with this palette. I think it's so good. For, I believe, $58, you get 24 shades, and this palette is pretty big. And one more thing before I let you guys click off of the video, I am going to have a giveaway, and it is with the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. So, I'm giving away this palette along with some other little goodies. Of course, I have not touched this palette, used it whatsoever. It is brand new. Still have the box for it and everything. But yeah, we're gonna add this to the giveaway. So follow my social medias, which are gonna be linked down below, because I'm gonna add the giveaway to my Instagram and to my Facebook. So everything's gonna be down below. Don't forget to follow me, turn your notifications on, because you don't want to miss your chance in winning this mini breaker. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video.